starting. The Betway Premiership is starting tomorrow, 1 August 2026. Down in Bombela, Mfundisi.
Baba.
Down in Bombela. It's Kaizer Chiefs against Kruger United. What can we expect from Kruger United? Not Kaizer Chiefs, Kruger.
Yeah, that one I can describe it as a chaotic game. It's a chaotic and
a game of chaos.
It's a chaos, that one.
A lot of noise.
Yeah, because let me start by Kruger. Kruger was promoted to Betway PSS straightforward.
Yeah.
And I've been checking Kruger United from Bushbuck Ridge in Mpumalanga.
Yeah.
They have got more than 8 players who played for PSL previously.
Yeah.
Elimpilo Ngema is there. Never Die Makubela, who played for Orlando Pirates, is there.
Yes.
And Tertius Malepe, our former MDC player, is also there.
Yes.
Yeah, there are a lot of players there, more than 8 of them.
Mm.
So people must not just underestimate Kruger United.
Yes.
That is a small team that comes from Mutsebe Foundation.
Yeah.
It's a great team, that one.
Yes.
It's a great team. That's why I say it's a chaos game.
Yeah.
And looking at Kaizer Chiefs, since the co-coaches has been disbanded,
yeah.
we saw a great football that has been played, though it just came lately.
Yeah.
And with the acquisition and the employment of Fernando da Cruz, who was once with them and in a short stint and went out and then came back. And we saw how Kaizer Chiefs playing. But what I can say, if Kaizer Chiefs will play the same football they dish out last weekend against the Kruger United, they're gonna lose. They're going to lose the game. But I'm also happy. This is the thing that I have been preaching, that the previous coaches, they did not give Velabai and Villagas enough chance.
Yes.
They were given chances.
Yeah.
After 10 minutes left for the game to finish.
Yeah.
And I saw a video whereby Fernando da Cruz, the coach of Kaizer Chiefs, was having a pep talk with Villagas that, hey, my boy, intanga zako ziyaphumelela ziba noma award player of the season.
Yeah.
I want you this year to be serious and I want to build it from you.
Yes.
So I've seen giving them an opportunity to play.
Yes.
But it's up to Velabai and it's up to Villagas to come to the party. But another thing that I've seen is that Kaizer Chiefs is rebuilding again.
Yeah.
And you are rebuilding from a team that was not rebuilding. Yeah. But the only thing is a newcomer. But being a newcomer, that means nothing on the field of play.
Yes.
So they can explore that kind of opportunity to just take an advantage of Kaizer Chiefs. That as they acquired the new coach, he's still trying to find a combination play.
Yes.
So, and at the same time, Chiefs will want to showcase that with this new coach, we want to take something, we want to do wonders this year. That's why I say it's a game of chaos, this one.
A game of chaos.
Yes.
So, lastly, Mfundisi, don't you think Kruger United will be overwhelmed by the 12th man? Because definitely sure, Bombela will be full.
Yeah.
Kaizer Chiefs supporters.
Remember, they are playing at home in Bombela.
But Kaizer Chiefs will fill up the stadium. Don't you think the boys will be overwhelmed by the supporters?
Or can I say this? Both teams are playing at home.
Yeah.
Because everywhere, the big teams, when they play anywhere, is their home.
But there will be more supporters of Kaizer Chiefs. And then maybe 1% will be Kruger, 99% will be Kaizer Chiefs. There, I'm definitely sure.
Yeah. The 12th player also contribute or influence the game.
Yeah.
As I said, Kaizer Chiefs is rebuilding. While they're rebuilding, the other ones not rebuilding.
Yes.
So, but what I see a draw myself.
Yeah.
Depending on the score. But if ever Kruger wins or Kaizer Chiefs win, it will be lucky.
Yeah.
I see a draw because both teams have got a factor that can be an advantage to the opponent.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs is rebuilding. Kruger United is a newcomer and playing against such kind of a big team like Kaizer Chiefs. There will be chivalry.
Yeah.
But that's why I say it's a game of chaos.
A chaotic game in Bombela. Kaizer Chiefs is still rebuilding. and then the young team Kruger United is a newcomer. So it's a game of chaos. Not my words, his words. We talk football SA, brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Siyabonga.